Welcome back, dreamers, and today we add our secret into the paddock that's behind me. Can't wait to get this done. Let's get into it. Righto, as you can see, we've got all our irrigation lines in and we've got all our holes dug. The next part is the surprise that I promised you, and here it is. This here is a Pinus radiata, also known as a Monterey pine, and is the most common grown Christmas tree here in Australia. That's right, folks. We're going to be growing Christmas trees here on Billabong Views.
Tree number 1.
Okay, so now it's time to run the irrigation for the Christmas trees. All we want to do is we tap into the main line that's below over here, and we want to run 2-inch pipe all the way down and all the way across. The reason we want to do that is we want to keep the pressure and the water flow up as far as possible. Also, when we tap off the main line over where the trees are, we're going to run that in inch pipe to all of the sprinklers along each line. We do this again to get maximum water flow to those sprinklers so they operate correctly, and we get watering done efficiently and quickly. Now the sprinklers that we chose for this application have deflectors on them to keep the water close to the trees rather than throwing it out wide, especially while they're younger and their roots are still very small. They pump out about 30 to 40 litres of water every hour, so we should only have to put this on for about an hour each time we water, and we'll do that 2 to 3 times a week, just depending how dry it is and whether we're getting any rain. And at the moment, we're just giving the Christmas trees water. The reason we're doing that is to promote that root growth and to get down deep. If we start giving them fertiliser at the start, their roots are likely to stay around the surface, knowing that the nutrients are there. So we'll let them get down nice and deep first. So our first fertiliser application will probably be in about the 3 or 4 week mark. In the next couple of days, we'll mulch all these, again, keep the temperature in the soil and keep the moisture in as well. And we'll keep you up to date with the growth of these Christmas trees over the next year or so, with a view in about this time next year for people around our region to be able to come here, choose and mark their own tree. Then we'll continue to grow them until the start of December, when they'll be able to come here, chop the tree down and they take it home to have a lovely Christmas together as a family. So as always, make sure you're subscribing, make sure you're getting all the notifications, and we'll see you next time on Billabong Views.